Son. Hear the trumpet call, so lift your voice in the air of Jubilee. In God of Zion's hill, salvation comes. Matthew chapter 28. Go ye therefore and make disciples. These are the days of Ezekiel, the dry bones becoming his flesh. And these are the days of your servant Moses, building the temple of praise. And these are the days of the harvest. The fields are as wide in your world. And we are the voice in the desert, climbing, declare the way of the Lord. Behold, he comes, riding on the clouds, shining like the sun. Hear the trumpet call, so lift your voice in the air of Jubilee. In God of Zion's hill, salvation comes. We are going to declare there is no God like Jehovah. If you received that, this is the moment. There is no God like Jehovah. 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 There is no God like